All right, viewers, so now we just move ahead to the other tragic story we are tracking, the TRP gaming zone. The fire there has left families grieving and authorities scrambling to address glaring safety lapses. With the gaming zone operating without essential clearances and safety protocols, questions are being raised about accountability. Who will take accountability? An SIT has been formed to investigate the incident where the owner and the manager face interrogation in custody. Now Republic has confronted Rajkot ADM. Listen in to that confrontation.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन है उसको लेकर एसआईटी जो है वो बना दी गई है रजिस्टर्ड मजिस्ट्रेट सर क्या कुछ रहा सर अभी तक की इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कितनी लोगों की मौत हुई
समय थियो परिवारजनों ने लाशों નથી મળી
सर सर कितने लोगों की सर अभी तक ऑफिशियली
શા માટે સાહેબ તમે જવાબ નથી આપતા કારણ શું આ પરિવારજનોને એની લાશ નથી
इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं पोस्टमार्टम हुआ क्या सर अभी
पुलिस ने आकर करी
सर गलती किसकी है तो आप ये देखेंगे कि ये जो एडिशनल मजिस्ट्रेट है राजकोट के वो भी मॉर्चरी पहुंचे हैं हमने कई सवाल उनसे पूछने की जो कोशिश है वो यहाँ पर की है हालांकि सिक्योरिटी रोक रही है बात करने के लिए लेकिन एक बड़ा हादसा इस लिहाज से भी क्योंकि 27 लोगों की मौत हुई है आप समझिए कि 15 से ज्यादा लोग अलग अलग अस्पताल में भर्ती हैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन है उसको लेकर एसआईटी जो है वो बना दी गई है रजिस्टर्ड मजिस्ट्रेट सर क्या कुछ रहा सर अभी तक की इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कितनी लोगों की मौत
એટલો સમય થયો પરિવારજનોને લાશો નથી મળી સાહેબ
सर सर कितने लोगों की सर अभी तक ऑफिशियली
શા માટે સાહેબ તમે જવાબ નથી આપતા કારણ શું આ પરિવારજનોને એની લાશ નથી
इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं पोस्टमार्टम हुआ क्या सर अभी
पुलिस ने आकर करी
सर गलती किसकी है तो आप ये देखेंगे कि ये जो एडिशनल मजिस्ट्रेट है राजकोट के वो भी मॉर्चरी पहुंचे हैं हमने कई सवाल उनसे पूछने की जो कोशिश है वो यहाँ पर की है हालांकि सिक्योरिटी रोक रही है बात करने के लिए लेकिन एक बड़ा हादसा इस लिहाज से भी क्योंकि 27 लोगों की मौत हुई है आप समझिए कि 15 से ज्यादा लोग अलग अलग अस्पताल में भर्ती हैं
Okay, viewers, getting you some breaking updates coming in. Now, what we are learning is that this is a story coming in from Kolkata Dakshin South. We are learning that there seems to be an incident where a CPIM candidate, Saira Shah Halim, campaign was allegedly obstructed by Kolkata police in front of Mamta's house. Let's go ahead, viewers, to those visuals on our screens, which show you what really happened. Now, what you see is that the CPIM candidates are protesting against Mamta. And this came in after Kolkata Dakshin South Lok Sabha constituency. There, the CPIM candidate, Saira Shah Halim, campaign was allegedly obstructed by Kolkata police. And this entire incident happened right outside Mamta Banerjee's house. As we speak, you can see there is some police deployment on the spot. And the CPIM candidates are protesting against Mamta Banerjee. Remember that right now we are still in the middle of the election season. Those visuals coming in on the screen telling you about the latest development coming in from West Bengal as we keep getting you more updates. And you can see that there have been quite a big police presence after the CPIM candidate was allegedly obstructed by cops. And the area is the Kolkata Dakshin South Lok Sabha constituency. The CPM candidate there is Saira Shah Halim campaign. She was campaigning, and after that, there seems to be an issue of her campaign being obstructed by cops. Let's move ahead, viewers, to some other news. In fact, now we are already in the middle of the election season. In fact, close to the end of the polling now. Let's have a look at some election stories that we are tracking today for you.